An important tropical storm update on Hillary as we look at all the rain here at Huntington Beach right along the coast, and it is moving onshore in Baja, heading up to the north rapidly, and there it is. You can see all that heavy rain up all across down towards San Diego and up here locally. We have the track lifting north through the overnight and into the day Monday. We're looking at still the potential of catastrophic life-threatening flooding and landslides all across areas getting just to the east of the downtown area, especially winds up to around 60 miles per hour around Hillary. And it should weaken, though, as it pushes onshore here. We're looking at the potential of additional 1 to possibly even 4 inches of rain in the red through the day here on Monday.